Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we are going to take a look at how to view the details view page of an already created expense or an advance claim. Once the user has navigated to the expense application, he or she can notice the various cards that are present in the landing page. The details such as if the claim is billable or non-billable can be seen here through the icons. This billability is mentioned during the creation of the claim. If the customer billing is turned as billable, then the expense is landed to the invoices section of KEBS. The item level details for any particular claim can be automatically viewed through the landing page itself. In order to view a detailed version of the same, the user can click on the particular card and all the details such as the various levels of approvers, the treasury approvers, the requesters, the total amount requested, claim, and also the various approval workflows are also mentioned here. Comments can be added by the various users who are involved within this particular claim. Context can also be added, and if the user is tagged, the user is notified that a comment has been mentioned against their name. Thank you for watching.